Good morning friends, my name is Gautam. Today I am going to talk about a very special festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. This festival celebrates the birthday of Lord Ganesh, who is known as the god of wisdom and the remover of obstacles. It is also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi. This festival is celebrated every year on the Chaturthi Tithi of Shukla Paksh in the month of Bhadrapad. In 2025, it will be celebrated on 27th August. It is believed that Ganesh Chaturthi originated in Maharashtra. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak started celebrating this festival publicly during the freedom struggle to promote unity and brotherhood among the people. Lord Ganesha is known as Vignaharta, remover of obstacles, and Siddhi Vinayak, the god of wisdom, prosperity and good fortune. On Ganesh Chaturthi, idols of Lord Ganesh are installed in homes and public pandals. On this day, a special importance is given to mantra, aarti, flowers, dhruva grass, modaks and prasad during worship. Devotees worship Lord Ganesha from 1 to 10 days, and on Anant Chaturdashi, the idols are immersed in water. During immersion, people chant with devotion, Ganpati Bappa, Morya. Ganesh Chaturthi gives us the message of unity and devotion. This festival brings people together and promotes brotherhood in society. Worshipping Lord Ganesh removes obstacles from life and opens the path to success. Ganesh Chaturthi is not only religiously but also culturally a very significant festival. We should celebrate this festival with full devotion and cleanliness. तो दोस्तों ये था आपका गणेश चतुर्थी पे स्पीच। आप इसे ऐसे राइटिंग, स्कूल कंपटीशन या स्पीच के लिए यूज कर सकते हो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो दोस्तों तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो फिर मिलते हैं दोस्तों अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।